So for today's video, guys, we're gonna be playing Demonology. Okay, let's go. Wait. Okay. So our objectives for today is identify the ghost type. Excuse me, I cannot see. Okay. Okay. So, wait lang. Ikaw magbantay dito sa sa keyboard. You watch the cameras. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna go look for ghost orb. Okay, ghost orb number 1. Oh, wait lang, T. Go to your journal. And then evidences. Then go to ghost orb. I mean, circle the ghost orb. Okay na? Okay. Wait lang. Temperature check. Okay. Walang freezing temps. Teka. Oh my God. Ayun. Level 2. Level 2 lang. Sige. 6, 7. Bitch, say something. I can't be the only one who's speaking, bro.
Unsa? Char.
Wait, is there a... Oh my God, there's a fortune teller, bro. Wait. Ikaw magdala nito. Oh my God, I need to find a fortune cookie something. There's a salt canister in here. You go open the cabinet. It might hunt any second. Because I'm gonna use the fortune teller. Leche. There's 2 salt canisters. So, I mean, no. 2 energy drinks. Sorry. Oh my God! So far, so good. Wala, di siya nag-wither. Ano nga rin gagawin ko? Ay, okay. I'm looking for a fortune cookie but I cannot find it. Where are you following me? Go to the cabinet.
It's here.
Where? You need to find a fortune cookie. Wait, did you take it?
No?
The fortune cookie. What the hell? Wala nang fortune cookie. Ano to?
Di ko alam.
Teka.
Mani.
Oh my God. Uy, bigyan niyo ako ng fortune cookie. Leche.
Ano, Mi?
What is that? Oh, thank you. Yes! Where did you find it?
Yeah.
Office? Where did you find it? Yeah? Labas ka. Go out. I will summon the ghost. I'm kidding. Okay. Let's hope that I won't die. Oh, free perk.
Ay, mama.
Okay. I got a free perk. Let's see. camera. Wala talaga tong... Oh my god, you didn't do anything. Saan yan? Oh my gosh. Umbra, Wendigo. Feel ko, teka. Wait ka dito, dyan ka lang. Dyan ka lang sa camera. Sabihan mo ako kapag may... Oh my god. Okay. Asan yung spirit box? Akin na. Uy.
Yan.
Alam mo, Han. Ba't wala? May Vinci. Char. Baka umbra siya. Hindi siya umbra, wait lang. Teka, dito ka, sa cabinet. Dito ka. Hindi siya Umbra. Hoy! Highlight mo na yung umbra! Lichaya talaga ng Teka lang. Level 3 pero ayaw mag level 5. Sige. Ay, teka. Picturean ko to. Smile. Hoy! Teka lang. Na-highlight mo na yung yung umbra.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Sana tama. In the name of the Lord. Char.
Mwah.
Yak! Uy! Ayun! Sabi ko sa inyo, ang galing ko dito. Char.
Wala akong ginagawa.
Report nyo na to. Okay, guys. So, that's it for today because magsasaing pa ako. Okay, bye! Teka.
Bye.
Say bye!
Bye.
Again, say bye!
Annyeong!
Okay, bye!